Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel in English. Today we are going to learn all the uses of yet as an adverb and as an conjunction. Before this video we have completed 3 videos of conjunction. So you can also watch those videos. By watching those videos you can learn rest of the conjunctions. And if you really want to become master in conjunction, then I will provide you link of other videos in description box. Now let's come to our topic. We can use yet in many ways. Today we will see all the conditions where we can use yet. So we can also use yet as an adverb where we can put yet in the place of to date, till now, thus far, so far, even, still, up to the present, eventually, in addition, also. These all are alternatives of yet. Now let's come to the use, how we can use of yet. Using yet as an adverb. Yet used for something that hasn't happened. We usually put it at the end of the sentence. So basically we use yet if something hasn't happened till now. Examples are I have not gone Kerala yet. She has not cleaned it yet. Her work has not done yet. Both the sentences are showing that something is going to be happen but has not happened till now. And here we use yet at the end of the sentence. I hope you got it. Now come to the next use of yet. We use yet in the middle of the sentence to discuss something unknown or unclear. So sometimes we use yet in the middle of our sentence and something is not clear to us or we don't know anything. Examples are result has yet to be clear. Second is she is yet to open the card. In first sentence, result is unclear, and in second sentence she doesn't know anything about card because she did not open yet. Let's come to the next rule. Now next rule is we use yet in a sentence to show a situation or event is ongoing. We can try to understand with the help of example. Our first example is there are a lot of stuff to pack yet. Here situation is ongoing. It isn't complete yet. And in second one, I have lot of cake to bake yet. Similarly, in this sentence, situation is ongoing. It isn't complete yet. She or he baking cake. Cake hasn't baked yet. And I hope you got it. Next, yet used to indicate an additional issue or problem. For example, yet another problem to face. Yet one more task to do. These both sentences are showing an issue or another problem. Yet as an adverb, we use yet at the end of a sentence to show enthusiasm or excitement. For example, I made her yet another dress. She ate hamburger yet. Both the sentences are showing excitement. She made dress, this is an excitement. And the next sentence is also showing excitement. Now we will understand uses of yet as in conjunction. We use yet in the place of but, nevertheless, despite that, however. Now see different situations. We put yet in a sentence to expand or add to the content. It can provide more information in contradictory situation. In conjunction, we connect two sentences with the help of yet, and situation can be contradictory. For example, I like English yet I took polity. She likes English but she took polity. Next, she likes singing, yet she danced. She likes singing, but she danced even. Next use, we can see next use as in conjunction. Sometimes we start a sentence with yet to give it tone and flow. In this situation, we can also use yet. For example, yet he is not handsome, I even like him. Yet, despite of all issues, she wants to go abroad. So it was another condition, and I hope you understand all the uses of yet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.